Hi weaving friends, it's really hard to believe that we are already at the end of another year, but I think I say the same thing at the end of each year. It's been another really quite challenging year for a lot of people, but I can also see so many positives that have come out of these adversities. For me personally, I have been really trying this year, and I'm going to continue trying because of course, we are all works in progress, and every day we wake up is a new day, a new opportunity to be better, to be stronger, to learn more, and to really get the most out of each day that we can. So I have been focusing on trying to cultivate peace really within myself. It's all very well to want to change the world and have world peace and all of that. But trying to do that can feel a bit futile at times because really there's so much that we don't have any control over. But if you cultivate the peace within yourself, or if you at least work on doing that, then when external things happen, you can remain in that state of peace and be unruffled. And the peace that's within you can ripple out to the people around you and then ripple out further and further and so on. And that peace is really difficult to attain because there's so much that can cause anxiety and disturb any kind of peace that you feel. But the real peace that I am looking for and working on comes from trusting that whatever happens externally, everything will be okay. We're all taken care of and there's no need to worry. I thought I'd just share that with you as something that I'm trying to do within my own life. So more about this year. It's been, most years are, I would say, a bit of a roller coaster of this kind of wavy, ups and downs. This year it's been a little bit more like this, really high highs and low lows. But I know, of course, I'm not alone in all of that. What I really wanted to express in this video today is just my extreme gratitude for all of you, for the ways in which you have supported me, and you all have given me a level of freedom within these strange and difficult times in ways that I can't even communicate to you. But because of your support, watching my YouTube channel, buying my patterns, supporting my online weaving school, being in contact with me as a friend and confidant. To be honest, I don't know what I would have done over these past 2 years if all of this hadn't happened just the way it has happened. And so I'm just extremely grateful to all of you. I think of you each as an individual person. I imagine that you're sitting there watching me right now. And though it's hard for me to believe that someone would sit and listen to me drivel on, it's just such a blessing to have you all there. At this time of year, I'm a little bit tired, maybe a little bit run down, but I'm shifting my energies over to preparing for Christmas. Today I've been working on our annual gingerbread church, which has become a real tradition within our family. I started making these gingerbread churches when my children were young, and now they will not let me get away with not making one. I think I'll be doing this for the rest of my days. But it's a really nice tradition to have. And we've just been preparing other things. We also put up our Christmas tree today. Our son arrived home yesterday, which is just wonderful. So we're all together again, and we're really looking forward to a very relaxing and beautiful Christmas. I just shared yesterday in my members group a list of the classes that I'm thinking about doing for next year, a sort of loose list of planning that I have been doing, and I'm really excited because there are a few quite different little classes in there that I'm sure a few of you will be very interested in. And I'm really looking forward to learning and sharing as much as I can with all of you. I also want to thank my daughter Gemma, who provided the music for today's video. She is a multi-instrumentalist, and if you're interested, she has a YouTube channel, and I'm going to leave a link to that down below. So if you don't see me around here for a couple of weeks, don't worry. I'm probably working on stuff behind the scenes, but I am trying to have just a quiet and restful time with my family for now. I wish each of you a very merry and peaceful Christmas, and wishing that your new year may be very rich in blessings. Until next time, happy weaving.